Now, in light of the development, the United States Department of State says its embassy in Kingston will not be doing any visa or American citizenship services until further notice. The U.S. State Department says the embassy in Kingston is being sanitized to prevent a further outbreak, and it is also working with Jamaican authorities to control the spread of COVID-19 in Jamaica. Now, also, the annual University of the West Indies Mona Carnival has been cancelled. The event was initially set for March 12 to 15. The university said the decision was taken to protect the health of all involved. And still on the UWI Mona campus, the management of 138 Student Living says 2 of its employees may have come in contact with the woman who was the first to test positive for COVID-19 in Jamaica. They say contact may have been made while they attended the same funeral in St. Thomas as the woman. The persons have therefore been tested. The 138 management has called on staff and residents to practice proper hygiene.